loan company. So the Department of Financial Services has examined RBI's draft guidelines. There's actually a tweet out by the FinMin on this. They are saying that they want this to be implemented by the 1st of Jan 2026. Vishwanath Nair joining us for more details. Is this an extension of the deadline? Just give us some context on this, Vishy.
Right, Tamanna. So, yes, there is an extension of the deadline. This is supposed to be implemented later this year. And now, because of certain ground-level implementation issues, the finance ministry is suggesting, the DFS specifically is suggesting to the RBI that you implement this only from 1st January. Now, I think more importantly, this is the first time that the DFS has come out very publicly and given its feedback on certain guidelines from the Reserve Bank of India. We have seen in the past, other cases like, for example, the project finance situation where discussions were ongoing privately between the RBI and the DFS. This is the first time that the DFS come out publicly. Now, what exactly are they saying? They're saying that the guidelines might be a little too onerous on the small value loan borrowers, and gold loans are widely used specifically by farmers for agricultural purposes, and the RBI guidelines sought to have sort of uniform guidelines between gold loans which are used for agricultural purposes and non-agri purposes. So clearly the government is showing that they want to protect the small value borrowers, specifically the agri borrowers. So up to 2 lakh rupee loan worth borrowers should not be included in the guidelines. This is the feedback that the ministry is giving to the RBI. Essentially, the RBI has set a 75% flat loan-to-value ratio, while for non-agri gold loans, 75% was always the norm. For agri purposes, banks used to give higher loans against the jewelry. Secondly, the RBI had prescribed in the draft guidelines that banks should probably check for ownership and get thorough ownership details, and only after that extend loans. This obviously would have led to some delays by the time the loan would have been disbursed. The ministry is saying that small value borrowers should not be affected. The other thing was banks were required to give a certificate of purity of the gold that they were accepting. Plus, the kind of gold that they accept was also limited to jewelry and certain specific gold coins issued by MMTC. So clearly, those were all going to be issues on the ground level. Those were all going to lead to delays in loan disbursement, and that's why you're seeing the ministry stepping in.